Hello. Yes, good afternoon, everybody. I hope you can hear my voice and at the same time see my screen clearly. So this is 25th of October. I want us to look at certain indices. I want us to see exactly what we expect to be happening on them during the coming week, possibly during the next few weeks. So we'll start off with the NASDAQ. We are going to start off with it. We want to see what to expect on it. This is NASDAQ. Going to remove the trace that we are having on our screen. Put it afresh. So this is what we are having on our screen. We want to see exactly the main trend on this instrument. We'll see what has been happening and what we expect to be happening in the next few days. So I want us to start off with the time frame, with the monthly time frame. As you can see, this is clearly in a very good uptrend. Nasdaq has been in a very good uptrend for some times now. The price has been in a very good uptrend despite the crash which was there in the year 2001. You can see the market crashed badly up to the this is actually not bad. It's called a retracement. So if you want to know how much it retraced, you just pick the fib level, then you drag it. So you can see from there that we actually have like a 61.8% retracement. That was the highest retracement we've had so far. We take this as the swing low, then we take this as the swing high. Because this pullback up to this level before them to the upper side. Looking for buy positions, we are looking for buy orders on the monthly time frames. We expect that the buyers are going to be in control for some times now. We want to see a continuation to the upper side, at least up to this level here. So basically speaking, this is upwards. We have a very good uptrend. We have a very good uptrend up to this level here. So if you're on this chart while we're talking right now, you are supposed to be looking for buy positions, expecting that the buyers will continue to push us upwards with our target along this level here. My next chart, which I want us to have a look at, we'll first of all look at the same chart on a lesser time frame, maybe weekly. On the weekly time frame, this is also upwards, but we do expect a pullback at least up to this level here. So this is in between 23.6% and 38.2%. We do expect that the price may likely pull back up to this level here, where we will be looking for a buy position form. So far as it is right now, we are strictly looking for buy orders. On the monthly time frame, we are buyers. On this time frame, we're waiting for a buy around 1377.48.0. If the price can pull back up to this level, then that will give us the best place to look for a buy from. That's my opinion on that chart. Let's go to the daily time frame. On the daily time frame, there's something else. We have this. We have a shape which is currently forming. On the daily time frame, we have a channel formation which is currently forming, which means that if the price can bounce off from along this trend line, that should give us the ideal place to look for a buy from. We will actually be expecting that the buyers will come in from around this trend line. The price is likely to correct itself before it eventually heads to the upper side. But first of all, we look for a buy here, or we may wait and look for a buy along 13748.0. So this one here, or this point here, those are the only two places to keep looking for buy positions from. So that is my opinion. That is my opinion on that chart. The other chart I want us to have a look at. I want us to look at the SP500. So the SP500 so far, if you check the monthly chart, we are having the same thing. We have a retracement, but as you can see also on the SP500, we had just 50.0% fib retracement. The price did not reach 61.0% retracement. So this is also upwards. The SP500 is also in a very good uptrend. And as long as the price does not descend below 50.0% fib retracement, we are looking for buy positions on this chart. We're looking for buy orders. We do expect that the buyers will push us at least up to the peak, which we had the swing high which you have there. So technically speaking, this is an uptrend chart, but we want to see a break beyond certain levels before we can verify that this is indeed an upward trend. So if the price can bounce off from this point, this is a good place to look for a buy from. If the price can bounce off from 38.2% fib retracement, this can be a very good place to look for a buy from. And if the price can come up to 50.0% fib retracement, then that can as well be a good place to look for a buy from. So basically speaking, these are the levels we're focusing on for buy positions. We already know that the price is upwards, but we want to look for a buy from around this point, from around this point, from around this point here, and upon a break above this line here. Let's on the market. So as I was saying, on this chart, we are strictly looking for buy positions. We are looking for buy orders. We do expect that the price will continue upwards, at least up to this point here. So the next chart I want us to have a look at, still the same chart on the daily time frame. On the daily time frame, so far we have a very good support. This is like a trend line. We have a support. This is the same line which you had for fib levels. It's coincidentally acting as a very good supportive trend line. So we have a support here. We have a support on the next level, and we have a support here. It looks like the price has gone below it, but the price is still above this level here. So on the daily time frame, this is a good buy. Where the price is right now actually is a very good place to look for a buy from. And we do expect that as long as the price does not descend below this line, this is going to be a good place to look for a buy from. So that's my opinion. That is my opinion on this chart. The other chart which I want us to look at, I'd like us to have a look at German stocks index. So all of them are indices. You just find them under the list of indices. We have this chart. We start from the monthly time frame. This is also partly in an upward, moving in an upward manner. So we had a very good resistance here. Only on this chart that we've seen a retracement that went up to 50, but has again gone and broken above the swing high. So we have a new swing high, which means that as it is right now on the Nasdaq, the price may likely still pull back to the lower side. We may see the buyers come in around 38.2% fib level, or the buyers may come in around 38.2% fib level, or the buyers may come in around this level here. So basically speaking, we are looking at this line. Look at this line, we're looking at this line, and we are also looking at this line here. I hope that makes sense. The lowest line we're looking at is actually this one. This is the lowest line we are. Next time frame on this chart is the weekly time frame. We want to see exactly what we expect. On the weekly time frame, the price is in a correction mode, so we are having a very good level here. We have a very good resistance zone, and as it is right now, the price is pulling back to the lower side. So as it is right now, price is pulling back to the lower side. We do expect that the price is going to continue downwards up to this target here. So as it is now, as it is right now, we still expect some bearish corrections. Still expect some bearish corrections the lower side, which means that the price may likely come back to the lower side, may pull back down and touch this line where we will be buy positions. So that's my opinion. That is my opinion on this chart on the weekly time frame. The daily time frame, let's see what's happening. On the daily time frame, so far we are in a downtrend. We have a level there, and we have another one in 450.5, this level here. Then this should give us the best place to look for a buy from. So as it is now, if the price can come down and touch this line, then that will be the best place to look for a buy from. That should be my opinion on this chart on that given time frame. The other chart which I want us to have a look at is the Australian index. We have it, it's an index, so we find it under the list of indices. Load. So as it is taking some time, let's let it load first of all and proceed with it. So we have on this chart, we have a very good resistance level. We have a very good resistance level at the top here. This is a very good level. You can see that the price actually got held below it. It couldn't break above it. As it is now, the price is pulling back to the lower side. So as it is right now, we are looking for a buy position from around 63.74.6, this level here. If that level is broken, the next level is this one. So basically speaking, that is the level where if the price can go up to those two lines, if the price can pull back up to this point, we'll be looking for a buy position. If the price pulls back up to this line, we will be looking for a buy position. So you either wait and buy it here, or you wait and buy it here, or you may as well wait and buy it somewhere here. Nonetheless, the price is in a very good uptrend, and we are looking forward to a possible break and a close above this line, 76.3.1. If that happens, then that will be a very good sign that the price is continuing to the upside. So when the price ascends above it, we will be expecting that the buyers will continue to push us much higher. The same chart on the weekly time frame, nothing much appears to have changed. We still have a very good zone. Still have a very good zone here. So this is the zone where we don't actually expect the price to break above it or break below it on the first touch. So if the price can descend and close below, the price can descend and close below this line, then that will be a good place to look for sell from. But if it doesn't break below it, then this can as well be a very good place to be looking for a buy from. The other chart is the same chart on the daily time frame. So nothing much appears to have changed on this one. We still have our lines intact as we had them previously. So we still have this. have a resistance, a resistance, a resistance. We have a support, a support, a support, a break below it. So basically, as it is now, this is downtrend. We're looking forward for sell positions. That is my opinion on that chart. The next chart which I want us to have a look at is Chinese stocks index. It's called China A50. So on this chart, it looks like we don't have much information. There is no much data on it on the monthly time frame. So we are not just going to focus on it on the daily time frame. We are having a very good support here. We have a very good support. We have a support. We have a support. There is a break below it. So as it is right now, we are looking for sell positions. We do at least up to 13567.2. So thank you very much. That should bring us to the end of today's webinar. We're going to meet again next week at the same time. Thank you and see you.